Are you constantly battling weight loss? Do you fear that one cocktail might ruin your workout for the entire week? Let me help you stay on track. Hi, I'm Isha and I'm going to introduce you to some skinny drinks. Hi friends, we're going to make a skinny margarita today and the ingredients for that are tequila. I'm going with the 1800 Reposado, which is a dark style of tequila which suits my palate. I have some salt here for the rim, a lime, some agave nectar, and some freshly squeezed orange juice. Let's get started. Gently rub the lime wedge along the rim of the glass like so. Invert the glass and roll it around in some salt to get a perfect rim. Add an ounce and a half of tequila in a Boston shaker. Add an ounce and a half of freshly squeezed orange juice. Add a quarter of an ounce of agave nectar. Add a quarter of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Finally, add ice to the shaker and shake it for a minute or so. Pour the margarita in the salted rim glass. Garnish it with a lime and enjoy.